Hello students. So now we are going to start the third part of chapter 3. Our chapter 3 was about creating charts in MS Excel. Okay. So in the first part we have studied about the different components of charts in MS Excel. Then the second part we have studied about how we can create a column chart in MS Excel. Okay. See, in this way we can have created a column chart in MS Excel. These are different columns which are showing the different values. Okay. And then in the previous video we have also seen what tabs we can use for modifying a given chart. We have seen that there are three tabs known as design, layout and format tabs, which are known for, which are displayed on the ribbon for use for modifying a given chart. Okay, so now the same topic which we had started on the previous term, previous video. What topic we had started? This topic known as modifying a given chart. Okay, the same modifying a given chart topic we will continue in this video also. Okay, now we are going, what we are going to do, how we can use these three types of tabs: layout, format and design, for modifying the chart after it has been created. Okay, so now we will see how we can use these three types of tabs for modifying the chart after it has been created. Okay, so topic wise we will see how we can apply different types of modifications to the chart. First of all, the first modification will be how to insert a chart title. So next topic is how we can insert a chart title in our chart. Okay, first of all we have to select the chart. Okay, first of all select the chart in which we want to insert the title. Then what you will do, click on the layout tab. You have to click on the layout tab for that, because layout tab is containing different controls for modifying the chart title. See, the layout tab is displayed here also in this figure 3.5. All of you can see, I hope. Okay, all of you must be able to see this figure now. Now what is there in the layout tab? You can see the charts, the labels group is shown here. Okay, this is the labels group which is being shown here, and the first option in the labels group, you can see it is the chart title group, chart title option. So there are different options in the label group, and the first option you can see it is the chart title option. Okay, you can the chart title option is shown here in the with the yellow color here. You can see it is highlighted in yellow color in the figure. Okay, so once you click on the chart title option, and what will happen, this drop down list will open. Okay, like when it is the case with many other options also, when you click on the options, then a drop down list will appear which will show you the different options. Similarly here also, when you click on the chart title option, then what will happen, a drop down list will appear like shown here. Okay, so what you will do now, you have to select the above chart option to insert a title at the top of the chart. So if you want to insert a title at the top of the chart, then which option you will select? You will select the above chart option for inserting the title at the top of the chart. If you want to insert it at some other position, then you have to choose some other option from the drop down list. Here we wanted to insert the title at the top of the chart, that is why we have chosen the option above chart here. Okay, then what will happen, once we have chosen that, for then a text box will appear at the top portion of the chart with the text chart title written in it figure as shown in figure 3.6. You can see what will happen as soon as you choose the option above chart, then what will happen, above the chart you can see a text box will appear. Okay, at the top portion of the chart, and what you can see, the by default the chart title text will be written in the text box. Now what we can do, we can select the text box, we can select the text over there, and then we can type in the text box. Okay, what we will type in the text box, whatever title we want to set for a chart, that title we will type in the text box, and that same text will be set as the title of our chart also. Like for example here, what title we have inserted, we have typed the title runs per over, because this chart was showing the runs per over scored by the teams A and B. So what title we have chosen, we have typed the title as runs per over. So this same title will be, once we type it in the text box, this will be set as the title for your chart. This was a simple step for using which we can insert the chart title. Now the similar procedure is to be followed for inserting the axis titles also. Up till now we have studied about how we can insert chart title. Now we will see how we can insert the axis title also. So first of all, what you will do, you will select the chart. Okay, after the chart has been selected, then what you will do, you have to click on the layout tab. Okay, layout tab, again it controls what, it consists of what, it consists of the different controls for inserting chart titles and axis titles. So what you have to choose, you have to first click on the layout tab, and then go to the labels group. Again go to the labels group, and from the labels group you have to now select the axis titles option. Why axis titles option? Because we want to insert the axis title. That is why select the axis titles option from the labels group. Okay, then select the primary horizontal axis title option from the drop down list in the axis title. Okay, so what we have to select, we have to select the primary horizontal axis title option from the drop down list to add the x-axis title. Because why we are choosing this option? Because the x-axis is the horizontal axis. Okay, the x-axis is the horizontal axis in the chart. So if you want to if you want to insert the title of the x-axis, then which option we have to choose? We have to select the primary horizontal axis title option. Okay, by choosing the primary horizontal axis title option, we will be able to select the we will be able to insert the title for our x-axis. Okay, from where we will choose this option? From the drop down list. Okay, now let's see here. Now from the sub list, select the title below axis option. See what happens. See this drop. You can see in this figure, when once you click on the axis title option, then these two options in the drop down list will appear. The drop down list is containing here two options. One option is the primary horizontal axis title, which is used for inserting your x-axis title, and the second option which you can see just after that, it is the primary vertical axis title. So the primary vertical axis title is used for inserting the y-axis title, because y-axis is the vertical axis. So primary horizontal axis title is used for inserting x-axis title, and primary vertical axis title is used for inserting y-axis title. Okay, so once we have chosen one of these options, then what you will do, you will again click on the arrow. You can see the arrow is given over here just after these options. What is this arrow is shown here? So you have to click, or you have to point on this arrow. When you click on the arrow, then what will happen? Again a new list will open, okay, which will show you the options like this. What options are given here? None or title below axis. Okay, and if you click on more, then some more options will also be displayed to you. So what options we have to choose here? We have to choose option title below axis here. Okay, what option we are choosing? Title below axis. So from the sublist, select the title below axis option. What will happen by choosing this this option? By choosing this option, our title will be inserted below the x-axis. Okay, why? Because I have chosen the option title below axis, so title is inserted below the x-axis. Okay, now when you choose this option, then a text box will appear below the x-axis with the text axis title written in it. So what happens after we have chosen this option? A text box will appear below the x-axis with the text axis title written in it. As you can see here, as soon as they have chosen the option text below title title below axis option, then what will happen? This axis title text box, this text box showing the text axis title is being shown below the x-axis here. Now what we have to do? This is the default text which is being written over here. This is not the title which we want. So for inserting our title, what we can do? We have to replace this axis title text by the title which we want to set for the x-axis. Are you able to understand what I'm telling you? This axis title is what? This axis title is the default text. Default text means it is written from beforehand. Okay, it is not the text which you want to set as a title. It is only telling you that you have to insert the title in the text box here. So what you will do now? You will first select the text. Why we have to select the text? Because we want to replace this text with a title. Okay, so first of all we will select this text. Which text? The axis title text. Okay, and then we will type the title. Whatever title you want to set for the x-axis, that we will type in the text box. For example, here we have typed the title as overs, because this x-axis is showing the number of overs. Okay, so what title we have shown here? We have chosen here as the chosen title. We have typed the title as the overs for the x-axis here. So as soon as you select this axis title text and type in the text box, what will happen? This axis title text will be replaced by the overs text, which is the new title for our x-axis. So this was the way using which you can insert your x-axis title. Similarly, if you want to insert your y-axis title, then what you will do? Instead of choosing the primary horizontal axis title option, what option you will choose? You will choose the second option, which is the primary vertical axis title. And then by using the similar by choosing the sub options, you can insert a title for your y-axis also. Okay, exactly similar process is to be followed in the case of y-axis also. Only the difference is you have to choose option primary vertical axis title for that. Okay, now we come on to the next topic, which is about inserting the data labels. How we can insert data labels in our chart. Okay, data labels are the labels which show the value which is the column is showing. Okay, the data labels are the labels which show the value which show the value which the data label which the columns in the chart are showing. Okay, like for example, we have seen here what was there in the case of the just remember the first component chart figure. You can see here in this chart what is there. These data labels are showing the marks which are these data labels are showing the number of students which have passed with the different divisions in the year 2014, 13, 12 and 11. Okay, what are the data labels showing? These data labels are showing the values which are being shown by the different columns. And what are the columns showing here? The columns here are showing the number of students which have passed with first, second or third division in the respective years. Okay, in the years 2011, 12 and 13, 14. Okay, so these values are shown by the data labels. The data labels are the labels which show the values which are being represented by the different columns. Okay, now it is clear to you what is the data labels, I hope. Now we will continue with the topic of inserting the data labels in our chart. Okay, so how we can insert the data labels? Simple 4 steps are to be followed. First of all, you have to select the chart in which you want to insert it, and then what we have to do, again we have to go to the select, again we have to go to the layout tab. So the second step is to select the layout tab. Okay, after you have selected the layout tab, you can see here in the figure here what is there. Again, the data labels option is given inside the labels group of the layout tab. So you can see the layout tab here. What is there? The labels group is shown here. Okay, so within the labels group, what is there? Just after the chart title is the axis title option, and after axis title is shown the legend button over here, and just after the legend button is the data labels button. This data labels button is shown here with the yellow color also. Okay, so what you will do here, you will just click on the select the data labels option from the labels group. Once you select and you click on this, then what will happen? Again, a drop down list will appear. Okay, you can see the drop down list is having different options. Okay, now what will happen? You have to select the outside end option. Why? Because we have chosen the outside end option because we want to display the data labels for a given column on the top of the column. Okay, as shown here, we can see in the figure 3.12 what we are going here, what we are going to do here. We are going to display the data labels for a given column on the top of the column. Okay, by choosing this option, which option? Outside end option. So the outside end option enables us to display the values, display the data labels on the top of the column for the given column. Okay, like for example, you can see in figure 3.12 what is the data values, what are the data labels here. These data labels are the values of the run scored the different overs. You can see here 4, 2 and 6 are the different data labels for the different columns here. Okay, so these, by choosing this outside end option, we are able to display the data labels on the top of the columns. Okay, if we had chosen any other option, then what will happen? Depending on that option, our position of displaying the data labels would change. Okay, if you choose any other option, then the data labels will not be displayed on the top of the column, but they will be displayed on some other position in the chart, at some other point in the chart. But if you want to display them at the top of the column, then we will choose the option outside end. Okay, so here now we will end this topic here, and now we'll end this video also. In the next video, we will start with the next topic, which is how we can insert or modify the legend. So up till now we have seen how we can modify the chart title, the data labels and the axis title. Now in the next topic, in the next video, we'll start with the next topic, which is how we can insert or modify the legends. Okay, so I hope you have understood this video. Till the next video is uploaded. Thank you and goodbye.